Percent means out of 100. Percent can be represented with a fraction or a decimal. So, we are studying how the back wheel, which is 100, compares to the front wheel, which is 155. So, we know that the back wheel is 100, so it fills up one whole charge. The front wheel is 155, so it fills up a chart and a half. So, the cost of the game, it was $10.99, and it had a 10% processing fee, 5% PST, 7% GST. What is the total cost? So I used cross multiplication. 10 times $10.99 is 109.9. And that divided by 100 is 1.099. And I did the same with 5%. See, 5 times $10.99 equals $54.95. Divided by 100 equals 0.5495. I did the same thing with 7%. 7 times $10.99 equals $79.93. Divided by 100 equals 0.7693. I added them all together, which equals $13.4078, which is the total price. So I rounded it up to $13.41. Okay, so the size of a caribou herd. The number of caribous in a herd was monitored over 2 years. First, 3,000. The second year, 9,000. Susie. 90% of the herd in the first year it was 3,000. The second year, it was 90% of its original size. So I'm going to wait. That should be 3. Sorry, I messed up the first time. I'm going to multiply 90 by this. 90 times 30,000 equals this number. Divided by 100, I'll just take off 2 zeros from each, equals 27,000. So that is the size of the herd. Yes, your answer is the same. Okay, so this one. What's the better deal? If there's 60% off a pair of shoes, or 20% off a pair of shoes, and then 40% off the discounted pair of shoes? Well, let's find out. 60%, let's say the shoes were $20. 60% of 20, 60 times 20, divided by what, or equals 1,200, divided by 100, I'll just take away the zeros, equals 12. And so that is minus 20 minus $12 equals $8. So 60% of 20 is $8. That means the shoes would be $8. So next is 20%. 20% is 20 times 20 equals 400, divided by 100 equals 4. That would be 4 minus 20 equals 16. Next, there's the 40%. So 40 times 16, which is already discounted. 40 times 16 equals 160, divided by 100 equals 1.6. So, 16 minus 1.6 equals 14.40. 40. So, the better deal is obviously 60% off, because this is 14. That's almost half.